Morning to one another. My name is Rachana. I am from Computer Science Engineering specialization in AI and ML. Now my topic is test of hypothesis, difference of proposition. Now I am going to explain about this topic in this. First we have to know about the mean and standard deviation under this topic. Firstly we know about the mean. This is the definition of the mean. Mean is also said to be arithmetic mean. The meaning of mean is to evaluate the average. It is defined as the average of the given numbers. Mean is the sum of all the given data values divided by the total number of data values given in the set. It is given by mean is equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. In the case of median and mode, median refers to the middle value of the data set, whereas the mode refers to the repeated numbers in the data set. And here, how to find mean? To calculate the mean value of the given data, it includes two steps. They are add all the values in a data set. After adding, divide that value by the total number of the given data. And here is the mean formula. According to the definition of the mean, the formula to calculate the mean is given by mean equals to sum of given data, total number of data. In terms of sigma notations, the mean formula is x bar is equals to summation I is equals to 1 to n xi by n, and n is equals to total number of given data, and sigma x is equals to sum of given data ones. These are the three types of means. Three different types of means are arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean. Here is the standard deviation. The definition of the standard deviation indicates a typical deviation from the mean. It is a popular measure of variability because it returns to the original units of measure of the data set. And here is the standard deviation formula. The population standard deviation formula is given as phase standard deviation is equal to root summation xi minus mu whole square by n. Here, sigma is equal to population standard deviation, n equals to number of observations in population, xi is equal to nth observation in the population, mu is equal to population mean. And here is the question according based on those data. The mean height of 50 male students who participated in sports is 16.2 inches with a standard deviation of 2.5. The mean height of 50 male students who have not participated in sports is 67.2 inches with a standard deviation of 2.8. Tested the hypothesis that the height of students who participated in sports is more than the students who have not participated in sports. Here in this question, the given data is first they gave the standard deviation for 2.5 and the mean height and the mean also. And here we have to find the test of the hypothesis. Here is the solution. First, given the data, given that n1 is equals to 400 and n2 is equals to 600. Here is the observations. Sample population. First, P1 is equals to x1 divided by n1 is equals to 400 divided by 400. After cancelling there, it, it comes 1 by 2. It is equals to 0.5. P2 is equals to x2 by n2 is equals to 325 by 600 is equals to 0.5. And here in the step 1, H2 is P1 is equals to P2. Step 2, H1 is equals to P1 is not equals to P2. This is the reciprocal of the H2. Step 3, level of significances. Sigma is equals to 0.05. And step 4, and mod Z equals to mod P1 minus P2 by root PQ 1 by N1 minus 1 by N2. Here is the formula of mod Z. And the P is equals to N1 P1 plus N2 P2 by N1 plus N2 equals to N1 is equals to 400. So 41 into 0.5 plus 600 into 0.54 divided by 400 plus 600. After calculating this whole equation, we will get the 0.524. And the Q is 1 minus P. Here is the 1 minus P is the Q formula. And according to that, is equals to 1. The P value is 0.524. And by subtracting those values, we will get 0.476. Now these values we can substitute in the mod z values. 0.5 minus 0.54 by root 0.524 into 0.476 into 1 by 400 plus 1 by 600. By calculating this sum, we will get the mod minus 0.04 by root 249.424. After that, calculating that, we will get 1.248. Mod z alpha, we have to calculate that. Mod z 0.05 is equals to 1.96. Step 5. Mod z greater than mod sigma, z sigma. 1.240 less than 1.96. How we calculate this is, we have to compare the mod z and mod alpha values so that a mod z value is less than the mod sigma, mod alpha value. So here it is the HO is accepted.